Okay, we are testing the short ramp, rolling the ball 30 centimeters. Trial 1. On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. Trial 2. 30 centimeters on the short ramp. On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. How many trials are we doing for each one?
2.
2? Cool. Alright.
Fine.
We will go to 60 centimeters. Once again, on go.
Trial 1.
Trial 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. 60 centimeters short ramp, trial 2. On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. Last but not least, 90 centimeters on the short ramp, trial 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. And then trial 2 for the full 90 centimeters. On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop.